What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in, giving you guys another quick detailed review. First look, Air Jordan Retro 3 OG Black and Cement, slated for release February 17th. These are shipping now on fineline1721.com. I took a lot of, backlash on Instagram over these. The date that I promised to ship them out, I couldn't. Not because I was on any bullshit, but because the shipping from Nike was just all fucked up. Like, all of my retail partners received boy size, preschool sizes, and toddler sizes last week. So everybody that ordered the grade school sizes from me actually received them on time as expected. Everyone that ordered the men pairs, they were shipped out a little later and broken sizes, so the shipping was kind of delayed. I do apologize. No need to ask about or comment about it on this video or on Instagram. I said it on Instagram and I say it right here. If you did not receive your tracking number, just email fline1721@gmail.com, fline1721@gmail.com, and I will get the tracking number out to you. Apologize for the delay, but you will have your pairs before the release date. All new orders and up and coming orders will be getting shipped out in a timely manner. So with that first little agenda out the way, let's go ahead and get into these shoes. Another thing of note, some boxes, the label is on the bottom and then some is on the actual lid. So don't be like, oh shit, whether you bought them from me or any other legit source that you know of, or even when they release on the 17th, if you just want to wait, your box, some boxes are having on the lid, some boxes the label will be on the lid. Some boxes, the label will be on the bottom of the box. No stamps, no stickers inside the box. So you shouldn't have any like quality control stickers or anything of that nature. Now let's get right into these shoes. First thing that you will notice is way better quality than last year Retro 3 True Blue. And also way better quality than damn near most Retro 3s that has released. Second thing you'll notice, of course, that Nike Air looking ever so beautiful. Grade school sizes come with the double stitching around the elephant print. Men's size should only have one. Just a quick little thing. Got your Nike Air hang tag. Should be glossy on one side, like glass. Kind of that matte finish on the other. Thick holes, nice perforation. Of course, got that Nike on the bottom. Let's just go ahead and see if we got any paper underneath, which we do. Should come with a little paper underneath. 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 through 10. Let's go ahead and stuff this back in there. Everybody want to know about the leather. The leather on these is probably 100 times better than the True Blue Retro 3 that released last year. The leather on this shoe is soft. It feels like the leather that you would get on your Retro 1. That leather right there is just, it's tumbled, but it's still a little stiff a little bit. But this is kind of like soft. And even you can kind of see it. See if I can kind of get it to show a little bit. See, like even like right in here, you can almost see it. Like this leather is softer than this. This has more of the stiff tumble leather. This has that soft tumble leather, you know? So it's like two different textures of leather. So definitely be, you know, aware. So definitely be aware of that. Let's pulling up the shoe tree a little bit so we can get an actual feel for it. Yeah, see, this leather on this shoe is definitely soft grain of leather. This one will give with every step that you take. This one very durable. This one seems like it'll last. As you can even see, let me back it up. Like with every step, you see what I mean? It looks like the creasing will just work with this one. So pretty much the inconsistency, I'm not seeing any inconsistencies with the stitching or anything of that nature, but I'm seeing the inconsistency with the leather. Putting that one to the side and pulling this one up. Yeah, you see, this one is more flat. It's definitely a little stiffer. You know, some pairs is coming with the nice, soft, full grain leather. Some pairs have the tumbled, stiff leather. And this is like one set. This is one pair. The right shoe has the nice, soft, tumbled leather. The left shoe has kind of stiffer tumbled leather. So that's a slight inconsistency on that shoe. But man, I can't get over the fact that this leather, good fucking leather. Good leather. This is definitely like Retro 1, you know, bread soft leather. So I will say this. If you pick these up, you better hope and pray that you get this one. Hope and pray you get this type of leather on your shit. Cause man, this one is worth it. Like if this pair, both sides had this leather, wow, it's definitely worth it. These motherfuckers is nice. Like pretty much the whole beginning of this video, fuck that. The leather quality on these is on point. But see, then the fucked up part about it is this. Here's the inconsistency with this pair as I'm going through everything. You know, I'm giving you guys that first look of what you can expect or see, like the thread and everything. Check this out. Each panel seems like it's gonna have a different grain of leather. Because this here, from this stitch line to back here around the ankle, is the same leather that's used on this shoe. It's that, you know, kind of, it's tumbled, but it's kind of stiff. And then this little section here, you know, same thing. Like, I don't know if this is one piece and they just put an extra thread right here or whatever, but this from yeah, so it might be separated. Because from this line on back, this whole piece of leather is definitely that. And then from here, all the way wrapped around to this other side is that soft Retro 1 bread type of leather. And this is too. So this whole side is like that. And I guess this is one piece just with thread pretty much going through this one piece of leather. Because you could definitely tell, you know, this one piece of leather is soft as hell. This is that Retro 1 bread leather, hands down. And then this piece of leather is kind of stiff. Let me go ahead and go back over this shoe. Yeah, but this whole shoe, yeah, see, now that I'm going back, remember earlier in the video when I was feeling right here, I say, man, the ankle part is real soft. Because it's like this piece of leather from here to here, whatever piece of leather, this is that soft bread 1 you know, type of leather. As you can see me pushing it in, you can see it looks like the toe box and the other side of that shoe. But from here, wrapped around, it's just the tumbled, kind of stiffer leather. So pretty much, like I said, when you get these shoes in hand, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. And we'll just hope and pray that your pair comes with one consistent grain of leather. But as far as the quality goes, you definitely are getting a better quality shoe in these OG Cement Retro 3s than last year True Blues. Don't sleep on this shoe. I don't give a fuck how many pairs they make, whether it's limited as shit or it's a shitload of them. This shoe is gonna sell out. Trust. So with that being said, if you want to pick them up, guarantee you a pair, ship out before release date, you know, you get them early, head over to fineline1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at fineline1721. Both handles are the same. And until the next video, you guys know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.